for raising the affair tonight. So this time, ladies and gentlemen, our candidates will face a very tough challenge. They are going to answer a question. So each candidate will pick up an envelope, and then I am going to read the question twice, and they are going to answer, of course, the question. So I would like to request the audience to please keep quiet and refrain from shouting. I know you all have your bets, you all have your favorite candidate, but we have the members of the Board of Judges to decide as to who will be this year's Little Miss Tanawan. Okay, ready na ba kayo mga iha? Nagagandahang kabataan ng Tanawan, di ba? Nasyasyak ako hitira-karampa di dia stage, especially wearing their festival gowns, their Pasaka festival attire. Their gowns was very heavy, and yet they managed to do the ramp on stage with confidence and poise. So I believe this time our little angels are now ready to answer their preliminary question. Okay. I am going to start with candidate number 1. Bunot ka ng isang envelope. Okay, open it. Okay, ready ka na ba?
Yeah.
Yes. Ang tanong ay English. Are you ready? Yes nga eh. Okay. If you will be asked to choose among the following fairy tale princesses, we have Rapunzel, Cinderella, Snow White. Whom will you choose and why? Okay. Ako nagbibinisaya. Gusto mo?
Yeah.
Oh yes. Kung papapiliun kahit mga fairy tale princess like Rapunzel at halaban hair, tama ba? Bagay natin magsayo. Cinderella and Snow White. Hino it imo pipilion ngan kay ano muhiya ginpili?
It is Cinderella kasi siyang pinakamaganda at pinakamabait. I thank you.
Okay, si Cinderella. Cinderella, what about you? Please hold your envelope. Okay, here is your question. Ano di mo gusto? English kung winaray?
Winaray.
Winaray. Okay. Ano nga lugar dinihatan-awan it imo gusto kadtuon ngan kay ano? O trohongkot pati ana ha. Ano nga lugar dinihatan-awan it imo gusto kadtuon ngan kay ano?
Akon gusto kadtuon nga lugar. Kay akon barangay. Kaya akon barangay Santo Niño. Kaya akon barangay harapit lait Pepsi ngan ato gihap haran nila gihap it.
Okay, very honest. Sige. Pick your envelope. Open it, please. Open. What do you want? English or winaray?
Hinara.
O, winaray na lang kita nga tanan. Okay. Kung ikaw magdaog kang Little Miss Tanawan 2016, ano iimosyahan nga bubuhaton? Kung ikaw magdaog ka Little Miss Tanawan 2016, ano iimosyahan nga bubuhaton?
Magpapasalamat kan Jesus, tapos kan mama, kan papa, tapos kan kuya, tapos kan tita. Grace.
Okay, thank you very much. Candidate, you want candidate number? Candidate number 3. Candidate number 3. Sige, pick your envelope. Open it, please. Okay, damo manit na pakpakhaim. Ready ka na ba mag-answer?
Opo.
Opo. Anong gusto mo? Tagalog? Waray-waray?
Hinara.
Winaray. Kahon ako Tagalog kaya nasing opo. Okay. Kay ano nga gusto mo maging Little Miss Tanawan yana nga tuig? Ako nung truho na. Kay ano nga gusto mo maging Little Miss Tanawan yana nga tuig?
Gusto ko bumulig and yan na Little Miss Tanawan 2016 para igatag ko kan Mami Eat Prize. Makabulig pag-iwan balay.
Makabulig paghimuan balay. Thank you very much, candidate number 4. Siguro dapat natin premyoan na yan. Kaya imagine, gusto niya magdaog para makabulig pa kaya din balay. Okay, candidate number 5. Here is your question. Ano nga lugar habukos na kalibutan itimo gusto kadtuon ng kay ano? Ano nga lugar habukos na kalibutan itimo gusto kadtuon ng kay ano?
Akong gusto kanton Pilipinas lagi because it's fun with Pilipinas. I thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. Candidate number... Okay, candidate number 7. Ready ka na ba? Opo. Kung ang fairy godmother nagpakita haim nga nagpakiana kung ano iti mo wish ngan kay ano asya iton ang imo ginwi-wish kan fairy godmother. Uutrohon ko ha. Kung ang fairy godmother nagpakianahan imo kung ano iti mo wish ngan kay ano mo iton gin-wish kan fairy godmother.
Para waray sakit. Para may birthday.
Thank you, candidate number 7. We continue with candidate number 8. Ready ka na ba?
Apa.
Balik Okay. Adit, imong pakian. Haimo pagdako, ano it gusto mo maging ngan kay ano. Haimo pagdako, ano it gusto mo maging ngan kay ano.
Maging teacher para kututunan mga bata pagsulat, pagbasa, pag-count. Thank you.
Thank you very much, candidate number 7. Number 8, this one is candidate number 9. Am I right? Okay. Sige. Ay, mouse na labi. Sige, abrihin. Adili mo pagyana ha. Kung pipiliun ka or kung papipiliun ka, hinkwarta, mulayan o pagkaon. Ano iti mo pipiliun ngan kay ano amo itunhiya at imo ginpili. Kung papapiliun ka, utrohon ko ha, hinkwarta, mulayan o pagkaon. Ano iti mo pipiliun ngan kay ano amo itunhiya at imo ginpili.
Pagkaon para mabusog ng malusog. Ay! Thank you!
Thank you very much, candidate number 9. We move on. O, kahuman pala nutrition month, July. Okay, candidate number 10. Okay, hadin mo pakiana ha. Pamatin maumpay. Para haimo, ipamilya ba importante ngan kay ano? Utrohon ko. Para haimo, ipamilya ba importante kay ano?
Kay importante happy family. I thank you.
Thank you very much, candidate number 10. And we are down to our candidate number 11. Okay. Babasahon ko ipakiano. What do you want? English or Tagalog?
English.
Oh, English. Pinaghuling niya akon. Okay. If ever you get lost from your mom inside the Robinsons Mall, what is the first thing that you will do, and who is the first person that you will ask for help? I repeat. If you ever lost from your mom inside Robinsons Mall, what is the first thing that you will do, and who is the first person that you will ask for help?
Policeman or a security guard. I will tell them that I am lost. I will tell them what is my name and where I came from, and ask him, can you please find my mother, I think.
Thank you very much, candidate number 11. So this time, ladies and gentlemen, we continue with an inspirational message from the First Lady of Tanawan, and at the same time, the advisor of Tanawan Women's Club, Madam Penelope B. Texon.
Dr. Ronald Flores, members of the Sangguniang Bayan who are present here tonight. I can see Honorable Quintin Octahir, the organizer, the Tanawan Women's Club, the Hermana Mayor, Tita Dina Rosella, and Tito Sammy Rosella, welcome back. Guests, maupay nga gabi hayo nga tanan. I think we're not even halfway yet ang show. I love the crowd. Nag-cheerhan nila mga paborito ng mga kandidata. I'd like to commend the parents. Thank you for entrusting the little girls to the Women's Club. I'm sure na after hitting a pageant, they will all come out as winners, personality-wise. Nakita man natin, ang 11 candidates up here on stage exude so much confidence and poise. So, thank you parents. Siyempre to the Women's Club, again, congratulations. Because you have consistently given us a great show year on year. Congrats Mana Rossi, and siyempre to Marife. Last but not the least, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank our local government unit, the local government officials, our municipal employees, from the department heads to the general services. Thank you so much because you truly you've gone the extra mile to give us a really meaningful fiesta celebration. Thank you so much and enjoy the rest of the show.
Thank you very much, Madam Penelope B. Texon. As you can see, the First Lady of Tanawan is very fashionista, so that is no longer a question if we have beautiful little girls on stage kay hira mismo na inspire natin First Lady. Okay, and so tonight, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to witness again our 11 candidates in their gown competition. Starting off with candidate number 1, May Chris.